Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use ChatGPT for translations. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use OpenAI's language model to help you with your language learning. First, go to chat.openai.com/chat in order to access ChatGPT. Next, type the phrase or sentence you want to translate and ask ChatGPT to translate it for you. ChatGPT will then generate an accurate translation of your phrase or sentence. So, let's say you're practicing Spanish and you want to know how to say, "I learned something new today" in Spanish. Simply type in, "How do you say I learned something new today" in Spanish, and ChatGPT will translate it for you. The great thing about ChatGPT is that you can ask it to break down the translation for you. So as you can see, I asked ChatGPT to break down the translation. This is so useful and helpful, especially if you're a professional who needs to translate work-related materials. And that is it for this tutorial on using ChatGPT for translations. I hope you found this information helpful and that you now have a better understanding of how you can use ChatGPT to improve your language skills.